Top 10 must-have kitchen gadgets transform your cooking game. First one is meal prep containers. Welcome to today's product review. We're diving into the Delucy 24 ounces meal prep containers, which come in a generous 50-pack set with 100 pieces. Firstly, these containers are built with premium, thick plastic that ensures strength and reliability. Their sturdy construction means no cracking, even with frequent use. One standout feature is their leak-proof design. This versatility allows you to store and reheat your meals with confidence. Whether you're preparing meals for the week or packing lunches for the family, these containers are a practical and efficient solution. Second is Ninja Air Fryer. Welcome to our review of the Ninja Air Fryer Pro 4i-N1. This versatile kitchen gadget is a game changer, featuring a 5-quart capacity and the ability to air fry, roast, reheat, and dehydrate. One of the standout features of this air fryer is its large capacity. The 5-quart non-stick basket and crisper plate just pop them in the dishwasher or give them a quick hand wash. The Ninja Air Fryer Pro also excels in creating guilt-free meals. Finally, the sleek design of the Ninja Air Fryer Pro is a space saver, fitting comfortably on your countertop without taking up too much room. If you're looking for a versatile, efficient, and easy-to-clean air fryer, this model is definitely worth considering. Third one is vacuum sealer machine. Today's review of the Techtalk vacuum sealer machine, a top choice for food storage and sous vide cooking. This compact and efficient device offers a range of features designed to keep your food fresh and your kitchen organized. With its sleek 15-inch design and included 10 vacuum sealer bags, it's ready to handle your food preservation needs. Compact and user-friendly, this vacuum sealer is ideal for any kitchen. Its lightweight design makes it easy to store and use, even for beginners. The Techtalk vacuum sealer machine is a great choice for your home kitchen. Fourth one is clear plastic cups. We're taking a closer look at the Lamosi 600 pack of 9 ounces clear plastic cups. This bulk pack of disposable cups is designed to meet all your drinkware needs. Whether you're hosting a backyard BBQ, a festive holiday party, or simply enjoying a picnic with friends. Whether you're serving iced coffee, milkshakes, or refreshing soda, these cups are ready to deliver convenience and quality. If you're looking for reliable, hassle-free drinkware, the Lamosi 600 pack is a fantastic choice for any event. Fifth one is divided serving tray. The divided serving tray with lid and handle, an excellent addition to any kitchen or party setup. This versatile snack container is designed with 8 separate compartments, making it perfect for organizing a variety of snacks like candy, fruits, nuts, and more. The clear design allows for easy viewing of the contents, so you can always see what's inside at a glance. It's important to note that this tray is not dishwasher or microwave safe. For best results, clean it with mild water to maintain its quality. Overall, the divided serving tray with lid and handle offers both functionality and style, making it a great choice for anyone looking to organize and serve snacks effortlessly. Sixth one is snack boxes. A view of the snack boxes 7-pack stackable bento lunch box set. This versatile set is designed for both kids and adults, offering a practical solution for meal prep and snack storage. The set includes 4 compartment boxes and 3 compartment boxes, providing a variety of options to pack different snacks and fruits. Whether you're prepping for school lunches or work breaks, these boxes have you covered. The snack boxes are designed with easy open, cat ear-shaped lids that make accessing your food a breeze. If you encounter any issues with the boxes, the customer service team is ready to assist with returns and refunds. Overall, this set is a great addition to any meal prep routine. Seventh on is large food storage. Review of the large food storage containers with lids. This set includes 4 versatile containers designed to keep your kitchen organized and your food fresh. With 2 extra large containers, 6.8 liters each, and 2 large containers, 5.4 liters each. This set is perfect for storing everything from flour and cereal to pasta and baking supplies. For added convenience, the set comes with reusable labels and a marker pen, allowing you to customize and easily identify each container's contents. Finally, the stackable and nestable design of these containers helps maximize your storage space. This set is a practical and efficient solution for all your food storage needs. 8.1 is Boxy Bag. Review of the original Boxy Bag 3-pack, an innovative solution for all your grocery and shopping needs. This set of collapsible, reusable insulated bags is designed to offer convenience, durability, and sustainability. Each Boxy Bag can support up to 20 pounds, making it a sturdy alternative to single-use plastic and paper bags. One of the key features of these bags is their temperature stability. The fully insulated design keeps hot, cold, and frozen items at their optimal temperature during transport. The Boxy Bag is stackable and space-saving. Whether for grocery trips, picnics, or outings, the Boxy Bag's design ensures a hassle-free experience, keeping your groceries organized and accessible. 9.1 is Loud Cup. Review of the Loud Cup 20 ounces tumbler with integrated stadium horn in stylish Huron navy. This tumbler isn't just about keeping your drinks cold. It's about making noise and showing support for your favorite team in a whole new way. Featuring a patent-pending design, the Loud Cup integrates a built-in horn, making it unofficially the world's loudest cup. The harder you blow, the louder it gets without any spills or mess. The Loud Cup is perfect for any sports event or tailgating party. For maintenance, the Loud Cup is easy to clean with warm, soapy water. Just be sure to avoid abrasive sponges that could damage the surface. Made from durable, BPA-free polypropylene. Overall, this tumbler combines practicality with fun, making it a must-have for any sports enthusiast.